In my last video, I showed you the stretches to eventually get to your split. But if you're already going to dance classes, you're sometimes gonna have to do something that resembles a split. And no worries, because you can. You don't actually have to do a splits to look like you're in a splits. So you can either, obviously, if you are able to do the splits, look, I'm gonna show you. Here, now I'm in the split, and now I am not. And if I'm gonna exaggerate it, this is what I'm doing. I have a little triangle with my legs, and every single time that you get more flexible, you can go closer to the splits, but when you're not, you can just lean on your hands. I'm gonna show you from here. So here we are in the real splits, and this, from the side, you're really gonna know I'm not in the splits, but from the back, it looks exactly like you're in the splits. Make sure to really put pressure on your hands, and then you can close your legs like this if you want to come out. And one more option, which a lot of teachers will give you as well, is instead of going into the splits, I'm going to show you with this leg because I have a knee pad here, is this. Instead of moving to this one or this one, this is the fake splits in the triangle, you can also move here, which is also super cute. I hope that helped and made you more comfortable and confident going into a class where you might have to do splits. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.